Hi, gang. Poppy here. This little introduction is for my next project. Sherline upgrade project number 1. Zero reset handwheel collars. A in inch and B in metric. I'm going to make 2 of them. An inch and a metric. Okay? Making these where we use the lathe, the rotary table, at least the milling column, perhaps the whole mill. Okay. We will be doing angle turning, simple indexing, boring, working polyvinyl chloride, and of course voiding more shear line warranties. We love voiding shear line warranties, don't we? Every time we turn around, we're voiding the warranty on one part of our machine or another. Well, it's so much fun. Now, a word concerning the difficulty level of this project. Other than the simple indexing, this is all first year high school machine shop stuff, especially this part. Now, the simple indexing. Here we are. A, we have 50. B, we have 40. I don't know why I put that other 4 there. Wetware's drying out. It's going to be a hot summer. Okay, now 50 thousandths for a shear line inch calibrated hand wheel, 1 revolution. For their metric hand wheels, 1 revolution is 40. Okay? Don't worry about the size. There's 40 divisions here, 50 here. Now, divide that by 50. And you know what you get? 3. By 40, what do you get? 9. Dividing a circle into 40 even parts, index and cut every 9 degrees. For 50 divisions, 7.3. Okay. Those of you who are thinking it should be 7 degrees and so many minutes and so many seconds, forget that. 7.3. The hand wheel on the shear line rotary table will allow you to directly turn to 7.3 degrees. That's 7 degrees. A tenth of a degree is 6 minutes. Seven degrees, 21 minutes, unless my wetware is really dried out. 7.3 degrees, the hand wheel on your shear line rotary table will give you. Do the math. That's the hard part here. That's what takes it above first year high school machine shop, figuring this part out. I mean, ask the captain of the football team. What's the itch? Okay, so I've done a bunch of preliminary. I took a piece of PVC pipe, cut it to a length. I've got it faced. I'm going to cut it into two approximately equal length pieces so I can chuck them in my 3-jaw. Finish face, bore. Just enough to clean up that inner surface. Okay. And I'll swing my headstock over and face my 45-degree angle for my calibrations. Right? Then the headstock comes off. The chuck gets set aside. I don't take the part out of it. I set up the mill with the rotary table. And I slit every 9 degrees or 7.3 degrees. It's going to be fun. I mean, lots of fun. Tons of fun. Tons of fun. We're going to have fun. Tell them. We're going to have fun. Good night.